Hi, I'm James Panel Bergonio. I'm the editor and this is my partner.
Pleasant day everyone, I'm Arapat Batua and today I'm going to report about the multimedia. Okay, first, let's define what is multimedia. Multi means multiple and media means medium of communication. It refers to the presentation of information and instruction through a combination of graphics, audio, or video. These are the basic elements of multimedia. Text, used to create words, sentences, and paragraphs. Audio, refers to music, speech, or any other sound. Video, refers to any photographic images. Graphics, digital representation of non-text information. And last, animation, a series image that creates illusion of motion. Uses of multimedia in various fields: advertising, education sector, mass media, and many more.